So welcome back guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can create Chrome extension with Svelte. So you have to clone this repository which is created by me. So now let's just open command prompt and clone this repository. Okay, so it is done. Now we'll go to a code editor. Okay, so here is the extension which we have cloned, my extension. So it's just like normal Svelte app with here you can edit your Svelte extension. It's a manifest, so you can edit according to your needs. So we'll just install the dependencies. So let's just go install the dependency. Okay, so now we have to just build the Svelte app. Now npm run build, and it will create bundle.js. Let's wait. So it has created a bundle.js file in the public folder. Now go to Chrome and open chrome://extensions, and here you will see a load and packed option. Just click on that and go to my extension and select the public folder, and here it is, Svelte extension as it is in manifest.json. So now you can just run it. So, hello world, Svelte is great. So yeah, this was the video. Make sure to like and subscribe.